Step into the world of organized simplicity with the foldable hanger, the innovative space-saving solution that revolutionizes your wardrobe without sacrificing functionality. This isn't just a hanger, it's the unsung hero of your closet, ready to unfold and cradle your clothes with the efficiency of a fashion organizer. Crafted with more practicality than a multi-tool, the foldable hanger is set to make your closet adventures as seamless as a well-curated fashion show. Think of it as your wardrobe assistant, always there when you need to hang your clothes or create extra hanging space, and just as easily disappearing into the background when its job is done. And let's talk about versatility. This hanger isn't just for shirts, it's the space-saving solution for your pants, scarves, ties, or any clothing items that need a neat and organized home. It's like having a closet organizer that adapts to your wardrobe. No more dealing with overcrowded closets or the inconvenience of a fixed hanger taking up valuable space. What makes this foldable wonder stand out? It's not just about folding, it's about adding a touch of innovation to your closet routine. No more sacrificing closet space or dealing with the limitations of a fixed hanger. The foldable hanger is here to make every wardrobe organization session a breeze, folding neatly into a compact size when not in use. It's like having a hanger that understands the art of practicality. Moreover, this hanger is a space-saving genius. In a world where closet space is precious, it's the organizing virtuoso that disappears into your wardrobe, suitcase, or drawer, always ready to unfold when your clothes need a place to hang. It's like having a personal wardrobe assistant, ensuring your closet remains clutter-free without compromising on functionality. But wait, there's more. The foldable hanger is also your ticket to travel convenience. With its compact size and lightweight design, you can easily pack these hangers in your suitcase, allowing you to maintain wardrobe organization even when you're on the go. It's like having a travel-friendly closet organizer, ensuring your clothes stay neat whether you're at home or exploring the world. And for the skeptics worrying about durability, fear not. This hanger is designed for longevity, with sturdy construction that can handle the weight of your clothes without compromising its folding nature. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow.